Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open an Etrade Brokerage account. First, you'll choose the right account type for your financial objectives. Etrade provides options like individual, joint, or various retirement accounts, such as an IRA. You can also consider a managed portfolio if you prefer professional guidance. This initial step ensures your account aligns perfectly with your investment strategy and future plans, setting a strong foundation for your financial journey. Next, gather all necessary personal and financial information. You'll need your Social Security number or tax ID, along with your employer's name and address. Also, have your bank account and routing numbers ready for easy funding. This preparation streamlines the application process, ensuring you have everything at hand to complete the forms quickly and accurately. Having these details organized saves time and prevents delays. Now proceed to complete the online application. Fill in all required fields with precise information. Double-check every detail from your personal data to your chosen account type before clicking Submit. Once approved, you'll need to fund your account. Etrade typically requires a minimum initial deposit of $500, which can be transferred electronically from your bank. This step finalizes your account setup. After submitting your application and funding, your Etrade account usually activates within 1 business day. You can then log in and begin exploring the platform. Access powerful trading tools, extensive research, and a wide array of investment products. These include stocks, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, and options. Etrade offers resources to help you make informed decisions and manage your investments effectively, supporting your financial growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.